Hello, in front of me I got Cubot King Kong Mini 2. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. Firstly, download Google Pay if you don't have it. And now enter it. Tap Get Started. And reset the app, because interface has changed. Okay, this is the homepage of Google Pay. Now tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select your loyalty card, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save. And it's done. Let's add new card, this time gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty card. Type your card number, PIN, balance, notes, and tap Save. Unfortunately, I can do it right now, but your gift card will appear right here. Now let's go to public transport. And now, if you are able to find your public transport way, enter it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.